the wait is over. I have finally received this box and I have been waiting for this for so long. So let's unbox this and find out what's inside. And here is what you see. Hey, let me show you. Let's keep this aside. And there you go. It's exciting. I can't really wait to open this. So let's just open it. Okay. Amazing. It's again written LinkedIn Creator Accelerator. Okay, that's a bag. Wow. Let's put this aside. And here is what we have got. Okay, this is nice bag. Oh, it's a wooden packaging. Well, I love this. Have a look on this. How cute it is. Okay. Let's keep it right here near to the iPad. Okay. Ta-da! This is lovely and a great gesture by LinkedIn with their personalized welcome. And here they have written something which is, "We are glad you're here. We wanted to send you a little something to officially welcome you to the LinkedIn Creator Accelerator program in India. So here is your own Pivot Starter Pack. We can't wait to see you what you create." Okay, I can't even wait. Okay, so let's check out. What's that? Socks. No, not crazy actually. This is socks, and there is something interesting. It's written create conversation. Okay, it's written create conversation. LinkedIn Creator Accelerator program does mean the same thing. I want you to see this, create conversation, and this is something like pull your socks up because the blooming and the level up is just right here. Okay, this is lovely. I really loved it. Now moving ahead for what's next. Okay, quite cute. What's in it by Pivot? That's really exciting. That's the smart mobile stand. Can't wait to create video and moving my head here and there because I know that I do. And this is lovely. I mean, this cute remote, it's so cool. I'm gonna create video very soon. I can't wait. Okay, and this is the booklet, just to read the description if needed. Okay, I loved this as well. Well, it's LinkedIn. Why would I not love it? Okay, there is something more. And this is a mobile stand. And this is crazy. I can move it here and there and up and down. It's amazing. Thank you so much, LinkedIn, for all these lovely gifts. I really can't wait to start my journey and I just loved it. Thank you so much.